Welcome back to The Selfish Ape. Chapter 3, Guts, How Our Bodies Work. One thing that nervous systems are very good at is making us mobile, coordinating our conscious and subconscious movements. This was particularly important before the invention of agriculture, when we had to catch things from the wild. Some anthropologists think that we seized antelope and other meaty animals by outrunning them, not by sprinting, but by marathoning them into exhaustion. This is called persistence hunting. Wolves, wild dogs, and hyenas do the same thing. Humans can be very good at this, outlasting prey in the heat of the day by regulating body temperature through sweating and continuing to run without eating or drinking. Early humans used weapons too, and probably trapped animals in pits. Another school of anthropological thought promotes the role of scavenging in human evolution, with our ancestors showing up at a feast after a kill by a more proficient predator. Given that a carnivore like a saber-toothed tiger or a lion would treat us as another meal, we may have tracked the big cats, kept our distance, and eaten whatever they left behind. This picture is at odds with the notion of man as the supreme hunter, but it is a good bet that we pulled the stringy bits from big herbivores after the lions had torn open the body cavity and gorged themselves on the glistening offal. Early arrival was the key. Rotting carcasses would never have been appealing because the microorganisms doing the rotting produce lethal toxins. Alligators and vultures that specialize in feeding on decomposing flesh are equipped with superpowered gastric juices and have mixes of gut microbes that provide resistance to poisoning and infection from the putrefying meat. Humans pursued the more common evolutionary approach of avoidance, which may explain why we are so sensitive to the smell of decomposing meat.